I'm sure you've heard the news. Ruidoso is facing disaster. Let's break down exactly what happened and what comes next. On Tuesday, record rainfall triggered historic flash flooding across Ruidoso. The Rio Ruidoso River crested at over 20 feet, shattering all previous records. Burn scars from last year's wildfires made conditions even worse, causing dangerous runoff. Homes were swept away, roads are closed, and emergency crews have rescued dozens. If you need help, call the emergency center at 575-637-0398 or head to the Ruidoso Community Center for shelter. Stay off flooded roads and don't wait. Move to higher ground if you're in danger. For real-time updates, keep watching KOB4 and check local emergency alerts. Stay safe.